Hello everyone, Samir is with me and he's a very beautiful shop in financial district with so many amazing stuff. You can see, wow, right? You can see so many beautiful stuff, right? So anyone interested from Pakistan to sell any stone, right? Something like this, something like this, something like this, right? So you can contact Samir. And Samir, firstly, I would like to have some introduction. What do you do?
So we're selling the stones from Pakistan. We're interested in aquamarine, garnet, anything sterling silver jewelry, small cabochons, facets to make jewelry with. All those kind of things would be really good.
Perfect. So, all right.
Not too much, man.
Thank you so much, Samir. And hopefully, and your number, Samir, in the video.
Um,
WhatsApp number.
I'm not sure.
Your email.
Yeah, ccgems@yahoo.com. ccgems@yahoo.com.
Perfect, Samir. Thank you so much.